A renowned local chef on the island is taking traditional Aruban cuisine to the very next level. He is proving an authentic dish can be done at its very finest. Take a look. I went on a little adventure with Chef Irvin Cruz from the White Modern Cuisine and the Kitchen Table. In order to cook a traditional local dish, he says we need to head over to the beach for ingredients. Item number 1 is banana de reef, also known as banana reefs, which is found on the sand of almost every beach on the island. Next up, seawater. Chef Cruz waits for the currents to hit to collect about half a glass bottle of salt water from the ocean. By gathering these 2 ingredients for the dish, we are set to go. But there are a few golden rules to follow when foraging.
Usually when we forage the reef bananas, we forage them around the beach, and when people walk their dog, you know what their dog do on the reef bananas. So you have to wash them really good. We first wash them in tepid water, and then for them not to cook, we add them later to iced water, so it becomes crunchy again. They're very nice, salty and crunchy. You can eat them as a snack at home, and they're very healthy. And the seawater, if you collect the seawater, try to collect it somewhere that doesn't have a lot of boats or jet skis, because of the oil in the water that they leave behind. So when you get the seawater, try to get it somewhere near a hole in the rock or a beautiful beach instead of a beach crowded with boats.
These natural ingredients used most certainly add to the dish.
This one, the reef bananas, we're gonna do it raw on the dish. It gives the dish a crunch and a salty bite. And the seawater, we're gonna filter it, and then we're gonna infuse it for 4 hours with lemongrass, chili, cilantro.
This is a special technique to further enhance the local aspect of a local dish.
By experimenting, and also to use local ingredients like this that nobody uses or nobody knows. It gives the people a little touch of Aruba, and when they eat, and especially the seawater gel that we make, you wouldn't imagine the flavors that you will get in the seawater gel or the banana de reef. Most of the people that eat it don't even know that it's this nice, let's say.
The chef is constantly keeping an eye out for new natural ingredients he can incorporate into new dishes. Not only are these ingredients unique to add to a dish, but it is also healthy and cost-effective.
It's cheap, it's for free, so that's why it's very great for my food cost.
On the next edition of 15 on 15, we go into the kitchen with Chef Irvin Cruz, who will show us how the dish is made with the ingredients we found from the beach. Don't miss it. I have to say, after my interaction with Chef Cruz, I very much admire his creativity and passion for food.